Today is the second video of the topic self-love. So welcome every souls, beautiful ladies here in Mahashivasita. If you have missed the previous video, quickly go and check the first video because this is really worthy. So many of us, without knowing or going into detailed theory of accept many things in life, I'm especially talking about females. The energy of a woman is soft, nurturing, adjustable, caring, understandable, patient, and warm feeling. Giving nature, warm feeling of care, and many more selfless love, etc. Self-love is the time we provide to ourselves. Many of us cannot or do not accept ourselves and blindly follow the rituals and surroundings thoughts. Because we are bent to do this, because from our childhood we have grown with this thing, we have grown with this energy that you have to maintain these things, and we women are quite obedient with our thing. We are quite influenced, we being influenced so much that we forget our own essence, that who we are and what we can do. We try to focus, we keep following, and we wait that people will tell us something and we'll do that. We women are kind of adjustable and understanding in all the way, from morning to night, in everywhere, in every situation we try to understand better, and we fall ourselves, each of our every part of our mind, we kind of trying to adjust every time, because we all can sense deep. Self-love is essential because this is the basic need of our existence. This is not important to look good always, but feeling good is more important than that. We often only focus on how we look, and for women, ladies, girls, this is really common to focus on looks rather than feelings. My concept is to grow mentally, talking on self-priorities, self-talk, self-love, and self-acceptance. Mahashivasthita is a spiritual place where we women, ladies, all females around the world talk about self and self-care, mental hygiene and mental fitness, self-awareness through spiritual growth, through our meditations, through our relaxation, through our mind empowerment and other things. A complete divine world for all the women across the world for the betterment of our mental health and mental hygiene, better I say mental fitness, through our guided meditation commentaries, online meditation classes, online mind empowerment programs, energy mechanism mysteries, Clairvoyant scanning program, online healing courses, and many more things. This is a spiritual organization where female energy is the queen, and she delivers her spirituality by discovering her true self. Without self, we cannot move a word. Without self, we cannot say a word. Without knowing self, we are doing everything, but we are not focusing on self. So Mahashivasthita is opening all the way for you to come to talk, open your mind about mental fitness, mental hygiene, what are the problems and all those things, because we do healing here also for mental fitness. Self-love is not selfishness. Knowing self and loving own energy, this is the basic right of everyone. Self-love is taking care of self. The things what we want in life comes in life in two ways. Self-love is the taking care of self. The things what we want in life comes in two ways, either physically or mentally. If I talk about this, physically in the sense of material world, material things what we can touch by our biological hand, whatever is biological material and all those things. To achieve in material world, we do hard work, focus and earn many things with money. Because we have to live, that is why we need to earn money. And many women also, they start to earn too because of the family issue. And many want to earn, many love to earn because they want the independent thing. And that is very good. Self-love is for everyone who are fulfilling others' wish but not focusing on self-priorities. Do everything but do not neglect your own priority of life. You have to stand up and understand your own value. In today's world, people are smart. You have to be smarter. So think for yourself, ask for yourself, who am I and what I want? Answer as your mind says, but remember, as this is a non-material topic, because in Mahashivasita, we talk non-material. So you need to answer these two questions that should not be related to this world. This is completely spiritual world of purity, so you need to answer this spiritually. I hope all of you got this. But remember, as this is a non-material topic, so I am asking you not to answer in anything that related to this temporary things. Talk spiritual, talk beyond physical, beyond biological. Introduce yourself and answer who are you and what you want. Both the answers should be spiritual, where you cannot mention and talk about anything biological. Or for an example, who I am. For an example, I'm saying that yes, my name is Karishma. Like this, you cannot use this thing. This is an example. So you need to answer spiritually beyond that name. Who are you and what you want? So these are the two questions you need to answer spiritually. So in short, talk about your mental health, what you feel, answer on your deep feelings. That is it for today, and I'll come with the next topic. Till the time, do not forget to love yourself and give priority. Thank you.